Hello guys and welcome back to another episode of Pune Motorcycle Club official, where we are the best riding channel you can look up to because we talk about our life journeys on a beast ride from Kanyakumari, Vishakhapatnam, Hampi, Murudeshwar, Gokarna, Surat. We've traveled all of those places, and now we are going to Ujjain and Indore as well. Plus we talk about having a very tight budget but want to buy the best riding gears for your safety. Yes, you can look up to us because we will talk about those things as well. Like today I'm going to talk about a helmet which I recently purchased. And it is not for a lot of money, but if you go to see, it is for 8,999. Sorry to go fast, so 8,999. And I feel that it is not a lot of money, because when you're investing on a safety gear, you should invest in one of the best safety gears, but not to always just show off that you have a 50,000 KYT helmet. No, you can also buy a minimum amount of, you can also invest a minimum amount of money, that is 5,000 for an Exor or an MT Thunder 3. But you can, those helmets are really nice as well. And plus we talk about how to maintain your bike, how to maintain your chain, how to maintain the chain sprocket, how to open a few parts of the bike, where you can install DRLs, where you can install the hazard lights, the fog lights. We even talk about that. And also we, in the next few vlogs, we are going to talk about what all to carry and what all to get during a long ride, a short ride, a one-day ride, and what all preparations you can do from your side, just sitting at home, and not sitting at home but at home itself, and not taking the bike to the service center just to repair a few things, like how to tighten your chain and how to the tightening of chain and lubing part is already given or is already there on our YouTube channel. But going ahead, we are going to come out with what all things to carry during a long ride and what all things to take care of while you're preparing yourself for a long ride. So make sure that you share, like, share and subscribe on our YouTube channel. And if you want to join if you want to join our community, and if you want to ride with us, do follow us on Instagram, that is Pune Motorcycle Club official. You can see on the screen right now, and it will also be in the description box below. So let's go ahead and talk about today's vlog, that is the helmet that I purchased. And by looking at the title and also the thumbnail, you might have guessed it. Yes, I'm talking about the Bilmola helmet, that is Bilmola Nex 1. Bilmola Nex 1 is a very stylish but very good and amazing safety helmet or riding helmet you can purchase at 8,999. It has a spoiler for better aerodynamics and low, to reduce your turbulence. So this is a spoiler which is given by Bilmola. Then you have a dual visor. This dual visor is UV protected, and it comes with Pinlock ready as well. The best part of this is the padding isn't that thick, because I don't like I don't like a thick padding, because on MT, if I tried I've tried an MT helmet, MT Thunder 3 and MT Thunder 4. The padding or the inner liners are so thick that my cheeks go like this, and I cannot even like breathe, or I cannot even talk after that. So I don't like those kind of inner liners, but however I like these a little softer but a better one, better quality as well. This is not like any of those Raste Ka Sasta Mal. This is one of the leading helmet brands as well from Thailand, and right now it had come out in 2020, but due to an issue regarding the ISI mark, which is now mandatory for any helmets, is now provided by Bilmola, and it also comes with Ece certificate. The best part about this helmet is that it has these emergency flaps. So suppose if you meet with an accident and your buckle is jammed up and you cannot open your buckle, and it just is jammed up, what you can do is these emergency flaps, the moment you release these emergency flaps, the inner liners will come out, and which will make it easier for you to just remove the helmet and keep the helmet at side. So this is one of the best things that Bilmola has provided right now in their new helmets coming from Nex One, all the way from Nex One, and later on all the ranges. So all these things are really nice, and that is what I love about my Bilmola Nex One. So what are helmets, or which all helmet brands to consider before buying the Nex One? I would say that the MT Thunder 3, the Exor Apex, and the MT Hummer are my personal favorites to consider before buying the Bilmola Nex One. But I purchased the Bilmola just because I am a Bilmola user from 2020 and I didn't want to change my brand. So people usually consider that as one more aspect before buying a helmet, is they don't really want to change their brands because the shell that each brand has is unique, and the inner liners are also unique from brand to brand. So MT brand has a very compact inner liners, so people want, if they are a user of MT, they don't want to change to another brand. So I would prefer MT Thunder 3 or the Exor Apex or the MT Hummer. And if you have a better budget, you can always consider MT Thunder 4 as well. And did I mention that this helmet is Intercom Ready as well? Yes, it is Intercom Ready, and also this helmet, the dual visor is UV protected. I am not sure if I mentioned that as well. So this is a really nice helmet, and I bought it from Motor Central. Thank you Motor Central for this helmet, because they are the local distributors of the Bilmola helmet. Right now Bilmola is coming up, and I've seen many people buying the Bilmola helmets because of their weight as well, because when I purchased it back in 2020 it was 1.8 kilos, and the next one is hardly 1.4 kilos, and it is super light in weight. So all this is about the Bilmola Nex One, and we will see you next time where we talk about different things, that is the things to carry before a short ride, and what all things to consider while you're going for a long ride or a short ride. Until next time, sayonara, shabba khair, shubhratri.